When it comes to New York residential real estate, attorney Michael Moshan cuts through the legal jargon to guide people through the major life decision of buying a home. With more than 25 years of experience, he has built a reputation as one of New York's most influential real estate lawyers. Moshan earned his BA from Washington University in St. Louis in 1991 and his JD from the Benjamin N. Cardozo School of Law in 1995, before gaining admission to the New York Bar in 1996. After building his real estate law foundation as an associate at Gold & Gold, P.C., he became a partner at Gold Scholar Moshan, PLLC in 2006, further defining his expertise in real estate. By 2014, Moshan had established a thriving solo practice, Michael Moshan, Attorney at Law, PLLC. Buying a first home can feel overwhelming, especially in New York's competitive market. Moshan's role is to simplify the process, explain every step in plain language, and make sure no detail gets overlooked. He takes extra time to educate first-time buyers on contracts, contingencies, financing, and closing costs so they can move forward with confidence. Moshan says real estate law is inherently personal. It's about people making major life decisions. I've represented clients through multiple transactions over decades, sometimes working with their children when they're ready to buy their first home. That continuity is deeply meaningful. And the stakes are real, according to Moshan. Every deal matters to the client in front of him, and after hundreds and hundreds of transactions, he still feels a sense of responsibility each time he sits down at a closing table. It's the combination of human connection and tangible impact that keeps Moshan motivated. He likens real estate law to a team sport with a successful transaction requiring trust and communication among everyone involved. Moshan makes it a priority to establish strong working relationships with brokers, lenders, and title agents from the outset. If there's a question about financing or a hiccup in the title report, I want us talking quickly, not firing emails back and forth for days, he says. For Moshan, that collaboration is also rooted in respect. Each professional has a different perspective, and when everyone is aligned, the client benefits. I've always believed that my role isn't to dominate the process but to coordinate it, ensuring that every piece clicks into place at the right time, Moshan reflects. For more than 2 decades, Moshan has dedicated himself exclusively to residential real estate, building one of New York City's most respected practices and being counted on to close successful transactions. His reputation for meticulous attention to detail and unwavering client advocacy has made him a trusted name among buyers, sellers, and the NYC real estate community. While he is known as Michael Moshan, attorney, his commitment to understanding every facet of real estate has taken him beyond traditional legal practice, including leading a title insurance venture, participating in renovation, development projects, and managing his own real estate investments. These experiences have provided him with an unusually comprehensive view of the industry. Today, he brings this 360-degree perspective to his real estate law practice, offering clients insights that only come from seeing real estate from multiple angles. Moshan's approach has always been uncompromisingly hands-on. Unlike other firms that delegate clients to associates, paralegals, or assistants, he operates as a true solo practitioner, remaining deeply involved in every aspect of the transaction, maintaining direct communication with clients, bankers, real estate agents, managing agents, title experts, and opposing counsel, ensuring nothing is lost in translation and that every detail is meticulously managed. His clients are well informed and actively engaged throughout the process and benefit from his ability to move with deliberate and near hyperspeed, a significant advantage in today's fast-paced market. Approachable and relatable, Moshan has extensive connections within the New York real estate community, forming important long-term relationships with transfer agents, co-op, condo attorneys, brokers, and other seasoned real estate professionals. He has represented a diverse range of New York clientele, from foreign or high-net-worth individuals investing or selling in Manhattan's most exclusive luxury buildings to first-time homebuyers purchasing in the 5 boroughs, surrounding suburbs, upstate, and Long Island. He has served as corporate counsel for a major New York City real estate brokerage company, managed a successful title agency, represented lenders at the closing table, acted as counsel for co-op and condo boards, negotiated and drafted residential and commercial leases, and provided expert consultation to real estate investors. Regardless of the legal challenge, his commitment to his clients is unwavering and paramount. Moshan has made significant contributions to the real estate field. He has provided real estate agents with in-depth training on residential real estate contracts. Besides being the resident real estate lawyer on the team behind Buying into Brooklyn, he has been quoted in several New York Times articles, where he provided insight on topics such as the psychology of moving, the broker-free sale, and homework for condo buyers. He was also featured in the New York Times stories, Toddler Town and What Will Be, about raising his sons in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. When he is not being Michael Moshan, lawyer, he is a dedicated athlete and tennis player. He founded and ran the McCarran Tennis Ladder in Brooklyn from 2012 to 2017 and later founded the Westchester Tennis Ladders, which he continues to oversee. In July 2026, he will be representing the United States on the men's tennis team 55+ at the Maccabi Games in Israel. Michael Moshan, attorney, is also a musician who co-wrote and co-produced Rock the SAT, a study guide published by McGraw-Hill in 2007, which leans on original rock music to help students memorize critical SAT vocabulary. He has played keyboard in many New York bands over the years, and when the stars align, he plays with the wildly popular yacht rock band, the Yacht Lobsters. Michael Moshan lives in Irvington, New York with his wife and their 2 boys. He enjoys, in no particular order, movies, tennis, hiking with his dog Ziggy, Chinese beef noodles, Mets, Knicks, good pizza, Peloton outdoor, ramen, watching Premier League football with his boys, gardening, live music, barbecue, and his local garage band, Killer Mixtape.